Welcome back to Tele-Turuan. And now, let us begin our discussion with the answers on the following questions. Question number 1. What are the different stations in the transmission of energy? Electricity is produced in the power plants, transmitted at high current and voltage in transmission substations, passed through the distribution substations, then finally distributed to business and residential areas. Question number 2. What do you notice about the size of transmission lines as it reaches the consumers? Transmission lines have a greater cross-sectional area to allow a large amount of current to pass through. Having a large cross-section also reduces the resistance, lessening transmission loss. The residential wirings have much smaller cross-sectional area. Question number 3. Does the size of wires and cables used matter in energy transmission? Yes, it ensures safety in the entire network system and reduces transmission losses. Question number 4. What happens to the voltage that travels from the source to the consumers? The voltage step up for transmission and step down before being distributed to households. And then question number 5. What are step-up transformers? What are step-down transformers? Step-up transformers increase the voltage, while step-down transformers decrease the voltage to be consumed at safe levels. At this point, let us find out how the cost of electrical consumption is computed. Do you know that you can calculate your own electric bill? But before that, let us know the basis for calculating your electric bill. One of the factors to be considered is the power rating of your appliance. By the way, what is power? You learned in grade 8 the 3 electrical basic quantities, which are current, voltage, and resistance. Multiplying the voltage and current is equal to power. For instance, the power rating of an appliance depends on both the voltage and current. The formula in finding power in watts is P is equals to V multiplied by I, where P is equal to power in watts, V is equals to voltage expressed in volts, and I is current in amperes. For example, an electric fan draws 5 ampere current from a 220 volt outlet. Its power input is 1,100 watts. For one appliance, the power rating is large in number, so the unit used for combined power rating in a household is in kilowatt-hour, which is equal to 1,000 watts. All of the appliances in a household may have combined power rating. That is why energy is usually computed based on the time of usage of the appliances. To get the total energy used by an appliance in an hour, multiply the power consumption by 1 hour as in the formula E is equal to P multiplied by T, where E is the energy used expressed in kilowatt per hour, P is power in watts, and T is time in seconds. The unit of measurement for energy usage is kilowatt-hour, which is 1 kilowatt of power for a period of 1 hour. To find how much energy you used in 1 month, your last month's reading is subtracted from the total. Try to solve the following sample problems in calculating energy costs. Sample problem number 1. All of the computers in the ICT room are in use for 5 hours every day, and together use 8.3 kilowatt. How much energy is used in a day? The given values are P is equals to 8.3 kilowatt-hour and T is equals to 5 hours. Find the amount of energy used. Using the formula E is equals to P multiplied by T and substituting the given values, the answer is 41.5 kilowatt-hour. Let's move on to sample problem number 2. How much does it cost to operate a 400 watt television for 8 hours? In electrical energy costs, 6.88 pesos per kilowatt hour. Includes both generation and distribution charges according to Meralco rate as of January 2014. Find the cost to operate. Using the formula E is equals to P multiplied by P, substitute the given values. The answer is 3.2 kilowatt hour. In computing the cost, multiply the energy used to the amount per kilowatt hour. The answer is 22.02 pesos. Try to examine the sample billing statement. The total energy consumed for a month is 419 kilowatt hour. This means that the company charges 4.36 pesos per kilowatt hour as seen in the generation charge, which is 1,827 pesos and 0.01 cents. But why did the company charge a total of 4,321 pesos and 31 cents to the consumer? As seen in the billing summary, the company enumerates other fees to be paid. This is all for tonight. Once again, I am Sir Gypsy B. Corpus of San Josep National High School. Thank you very much for watching Tele-Turuan, and I hope that you have a clear and better understanding of the topics in Unit 4, Module 4 of Grade 9 Science. Goodbye!